Let's make a beach tray together. I start by using Seaside glitter mixed in with craft sand and a little bit of resin. Pour that onto your tray mold. I like to do this kind of diagonal in a corner. Next, I'm going to use a dark blue acrylic paint. Mix that in with my resin and pour that opposite of the side that I have my sand. Then we're going to take a lighter type of a teal blue acrylic paint and also mix that in with resin and pour that in between the sand and the dark blue. Make sure that you spread it out evenly, and then we're going to work on our waves, taking white acrylic paint and adding 2 drops of treadmill belt lubricant. Mix that with some resin. And this is going to be our waves. So we're going to pour that on right here near the sand and a little in the dark blue. Taking our heat gun, we are going to blow this out and mix that in really well, giving a beautiful ocean effect. I love this technique, and this is why I use the treadmill belt lubricant, because it gives me some really nice sails. I add a few shells, and then we're going to let this sit for a couple of hours. Come back and apply a top layer of resin and our handles. These handles I get from Amazon. And the resin that I use is a pretty thick resin, so it will sit in there nice and snug. And we're going to let this sit overnight to fully cure. The next day, we take it out of the mold, and we have a beautiful beach tray. I absolutely love making these. I think they turn out absolutely beautiful, and they're extremely durable. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.